This tutorial will explain what spam and phishing are and how to manage them on your school-issued iPad. What is spam? A salty pork snack? Well, yes, but not the kind we're going to talk about today. Spam is unwanted, uninvited email sent to thousands of people at one time, often anonymously. Spam is mostly intended to sell you things, but it can also be a huge waste of time and take up a lot of space on your iPad. Here are some things you can do to prevent spam. Do not give out your email address, especially online. Do not use your email address to sign up for anything unless your teacher says it's okay. Always use the Sign In with Google button for your school apps and websites. Never reply to a spam email, and do not click links within spam emails. One thing you can do to get rid of spam is to train Gmail to recognize email that may be unwanted. I'm going to show you how to report spam. Reporting an email as spam teaches your Gmail what kind of email you do not want to see. As you can see here in my inbox, there are a couple spam emails at the top that I need to get rid of. What I'm going to do first is tap on the first email I want to get rid of. Next, visit the breadcrumbs icons that look like 3 dots in the upper right corner. You can see here there are 2 breadcrumb menus. From the top breadcrumb menu, we could select the option to report spam. Reporting spam will not only remove the email from the inbox, but it will tell Gmail to do the same with future emails like this one. The lower breadcrumb menu has an even better option. Here, you can tap Block the Sender. Using the lower breadcrumb menu to block the sender not only prevents future emails from that email address, but once the sender is blocked, there is an option to report the spam email while I'm at it. Use the Report Spam and the Block features to keep your inbox clean, organized, and free of incoming spam email. What about phishing? Phishing is a type of spam that attempts to gain people's personal information by pretending to be official. Here's an example of an email that looks like it comes from Amazon. It even tempts me with the possibility of a refund. But this email is asking me to click a link and enter personal information. Something is definitely fishy here. Phishing can happen with fake emails or fake websites. Here are some things to look for when deciding if an email or website looks fishy. Is it too good to be true? Is there a sense of urgency? Are you being asked to click on a link or a hyperlink? Are you being told your device has a virus or some other problem? Does the email have attachments that you don't expect or don't relate to the message? Is it from a suspicious or unusual sender? Does the sender appear to be someone you know, but the words are not something they would say? Is the email address strange? This should be PayPal, but it's certainly not paypal.com. Here are some rules of thumb to protect yourself from phishing. Never provide personal information through email. Never click links in any email unless you personally know the sender and are expecting them to send you a link. Never open attachments from any email that you're unsure about. Do not reply to any suspicious emails. Always use the Block Sender and Report Spam options in your Gmail. There are no emails or websites that can tell if your iPad is infected with a virus. If you see one of these, close, restart the iPad, and start over. Nobody at South Portland Schools will ever ask you for any personal information over email. If you see something like this, especially from an email outside of South Portland Schools, remember to use Gmail's Report Spam option to remove it from your inbox. If you are worried that the email could be real, close it and visit the official website, or pick up the phone and call the person whom you think may have sent it. But when in doubt, throw it out.